channel. Let me first tell you who I am. My name is Andreas, I'm 46 years old and live in Duisburg. This is near Düsseldorf and I think 50 miles to Cologne, directly at the river Rhine, which is maybe 150 meters away from here. And Duisburg is important or famous for his coal mining and steel industrial. I'm a former German soldier. I stayed from 1996 to 2005 in German army at a specialist, a corporal ranking, and a specialist for radio and telecommunication. And I left in 2004 and made an education to paramedic and worked at Mettmann Fire Department. Mettmann is a small village near Düsseldorf, and Mettmann is famous for his Neandertaler. Neandertal is a valley not far away from Mettmann, and because of this valley the Homo sapiens neanderthalensis get his name. In 2005 my doctor told me that I got MS. 2009 my doctor told me I got MS, and I fall in a deep hole and I lose my will to life, and needed many years to come back to life and find other things that I can do. And so I started taking photos last year, and I made other Abenteuer, adventure. I make other adventures, diving, skydiving. Well, skydiving the first and the last time, and it is not really mine. Diving in the Atlantic is much more fun. And now, yes, this is a short cut of my life, and so I don't want to bring you outdoor videos and survival videos, and mankind survives from the first day till now, and so there are so many videos about surviving and outdoor, and I think you don't need really more, but on my channel there is a mix between outdoor, making an outdoor camp, overnighters, and take photos by nature, and birds and landscapes and night skies, stars, Milky Way, and all this stuff. Okay, this is a walking road for all the people that go out with their dogs, and so every 2, 3, 4 minutes someone passed by, and okay, this is the way, but it's actually also a nice place to take pictures, and we are near the sunset. It's 10 to 5 p.m. Oh, 10 to 4, is it right? 10 to 4, okay, take a look here. Yeah, it's close to 4 p.m. and I want to show you. Here I want to take some nice pictures, maybe with with nice lights, and night not really, because I had to go to work tomorrow in the morning, and so and this is what I do on this channel. Go out and have adventures, and make landscape and bird and animal photography and stuff like this. And this is the first video. I show you later what pictures I made today and say thank you. And if you want, take a thumb up or down, subscribe, leave a comment, and you know all these games. It would be a pleasure for me. And so what is very important, there is not a video actually every week, on every Saturday or every Wednesday, or the videos come like I had the time to make videos to get out, and there is no pressure behind all this. It's just go out, have fun, make nice pictures, enjoy nature, and yeah, this is my way, and this is not every day, and this is not every 7th day in the month, and it's not 2 days per month. It's maybe sometimes, and sometimes often, and sometimes not. But I can also tell you, in 2 weeks, on October the 22nd, we take a ride by car to Sweden. It's up in the north to Sweden, I think 50 miles to the Polar Circle in Norrbotten. It's Sami land, and yeah, I think there is a possibility to make nice pictures and nice videos for you. So see you then, and stay healthy.